Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Anoop. In this video we will learn how to download and install Chrome web browser in Windows. To install Chrome browser in Windows, you need to at least one web browser. Windows come by default Microsoft S. Just type Google Chrome, press enter, then click on Chrome web browser, then click on download Chrome. You can see here downloading starts. Click here to open file, installing. Go back, and here you can see the Chrome web browser installed. Thank you for watching guys.